Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pratham and this time we're gonna learn about the basics of Scratch. So let's go to Scratch. So click on this create. So we see the sprite, the cat. So sprite is just basically an actor or character on the screen that will do a lot of things like move, speak, make sounds, and move around. Just and it will do things on the screen, and it will just be a major part of our app. So we have to program this cat or this sprite to do all of those things if we want it. So we have to start coding or programming our sprite with an event. An event is a trigger that does something. So we'll take this one green flag clicked block. So what this basically checks, it checks if this green flag button is clicked. And when it's clicked, it will do the code under it. So but if we click on this, there's nothing happening with the cat or the sprite because there's nothing coded under the when green flag is click block. So you, let's just move the cat around a bit. So we'll go to the motion section, and the motion section is about all the movement of the sprite. It will move the sprite, and if you want to move the sprite, you have to take blocks from the motion section itself. So let's take this move 10 steps block. So what it will do, it will make the cat or sprite move 10 steps in the direction it's pointing in. So now let's click on the green flag to see what we've coded so far. It will move a bit, if you can see. If you keep on clicking it, it will keep on moving. But what happens, it can go beyond the edge. So this is not good. So let's take another block from the motion. So we'll take this if on edge bounce block. So what it will check if it's on the edge, and if it's on the edge, it will bounce. So let's click on the green flag, and now it will become upside down because it bounced. But and now it's gonna be upside down, and now let's just check. Let's just keep on doing this, and but it will start walking upside down. But if it walks upside down and touches the edge, now it will bounce again, and now it's right side up, and then it will go upside down if it touches back to the edge. So now let's make a sound when it moves. Let's take this play sound meow block. But if you want a different sound instead of this, you have to go to this sounds tab. Go here, click on this, and then you find the whole sound library. You can hover over a sound to hear its sound. Like this. And you have to click on this sound button. So if you want like this one, you have to click on it, and then it will be selected, and you can use it in your sprite to do things. But let's just take it with the meow itself. So now what it will do, let's run this program, and it will do this. But what's the problem now is that you have to keep on clicking it to do this. Let's make it repeat this thing several times when you click on this. So let's go to this control section. So what the control section is about, it's about all the things like it will check, it will make decision, it will repeat, it will do a lot of things, and it will control everything about the sprite. So let's take this repeat. this repeat 10. So what this will do is that it will repeat the code inside itself. Inside this repeat block, how many times it's mentioned in the bubble, in this bubble. So let's keep it at 10 times. Now it starts. So it does it. So it does it 10 times. And now we are done with our program. But before you just do anything, let's rename our project in this bubble. So let's just name it as my first project. Okay, this is not really my first, but it's your first, so I'm just putting a name for it. And now usually sometimes it's saved, but if it's not saved, it says save now, you should click on it. Scratch also auto saves it, so that's why there's nothing here. So if there's nothing here, you can go back. So let's just reopen the link of Scratch. So let's go to scratch.mit.edu, which is the link of Scratch. And now if you want to see your program that you made, you have to go here. You have to click on your username, and then you have to click on my stuff in the drop down menu. And then it will show as my first project. I made other projects also, so you can also see them here, but in your thing it will only show this. And if you click on the C inside, it will go here. It will go here. So if you want to see the project page, and so let's go here in the project page. So it will show the name of the project, and what it will do, you can put the instructions of the project. So I'll click on the green flag to make the cat do something. So let's just put that as the instruction. So we don't have to fill in the notes and credits, you can leave that. And now you can share this project, and if you share this project, everybody on Scratch can see it. So otherwise you can't see it. So when you click on share, it will make anyone possible to be able to see your project, and they can also like, favorite, and even remix your project. Remix means you can just take in a project, download it as a copy for your account, and you can edit the project yourself, but it won't edit the real thing of the project. So that was it. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon. See you soon.